Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your SoFi account on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open App Store and search for SoFi right over here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the application, download and install it onto your device, and finally tap on open once that is done. Now, in order to log in, all you need to do is tap on the login tab down below. And once you've done that, what you want to do is go ahead and enter your verification. So it's going to firstly confirm if you're human just by confirming your device data. Now, in order for you to go ahead and log in, enter your email that you've used to sign up for SoFi and go ahead and enter your password and tap on login. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.